Today, the Kansas City business we're highlighting is my favorite Kansas City hotel, the Loews Hotel in downtown Kansas City. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, showing another one of our favorite features of Kansas City to explore and enjoy. Well, the Kansas City Loews Hotel is an experience to take in from the moment you step in the doors. There's floor-to-ceiling windows to view the skyline while enjoying dinner, getting a drink with friends at the bar, or time on the balcony just relaxing and overlooking downtown. Now, my favorite outdoor space is actually on the 7th floor. It's a quieter venue with views of the Kaafman and the Sky stations while offering the Horsefeather restaurant. There is a full workout room and a lap pool with salt water, plus a hot tub for relaxation. Loews has 800 rooms, all with city views to enjoy. This hotel is located downtown across from the convention center and walking distance to Power and Light, Crossroad restaurants, or jump on the Kansas City Streetcar to enjoy other downtown locations. This is the perfect place for a conference, Kansas City weekend staycation, or time out with friends and family. If you'd like to see more areas of Kansas City that we have enjoyed, subscribe today so you don't miss out. And if you think of downtown Kansas City as a potential future home for you, we'd be happy to offer you a consultation on Kansas City downtown living. Thanks so much, and hope to catch you downtown for some Kansas City fun.